Alright, well, good morning folks. We're pulling on out of here. Go finish off that job in the previous video. Going to clean up those down trees with the chipper and the machine, and then load the machine on and head to Tantown and take care of that road repair. So, it's plus, well, it's 0 right now. It's getting up to a +8, I guess. So that's nice. Let's get this done. All right, well, here we are again. Boys got up with the truck and chipper. I can hear them up there. They just idled her down, picking away at the stuff they can get, I guess. And I'll pull this stuff out in the road for them, so they can get at it easier. Start from the top and work our way out, I guess. Get up there and fire the machine up. Let her warm up for a few minutes. And that will be, get her cleaned up. Okay, so we're on site. I've been here about half an hour. I got some ditching done here. Now the water can come down, catch this trough, and go in between the anchor and the pole here. And then I just took the crap, piled alongside here. I got a load of type 2 coming, so I'll fill this in down here, take the rest, come around here, shape it up a bit, then I'll plop some big rocks here to block this off. We got the water flowing good now. Even coming down here, there was no ditching done really. So now we got the water flowing really good. It was just a trickle coming through here yesterday. Cleaned out some stuff out of this one, so now this one's flowing good. It's amazing what 25-30 minutes of work can do. It's hard to believe it took that long. But anyway, waiting for the type 2. I might start tracking up there and doing a little ditching while I'm waiting, but I don't know, it might be coming pretty soon. But anyway, by the end of the day, this will be done, rocks will be placed, type 2 down here shaped up, and I think I'm gonna haul the machine out. I'll do a little bit of ditching up top, and I'm gonna haul the machine out for now because I got a lot of stuff on my plate, just got sent through today that I got to try to get done. So probably gonna bring the skid steer in to finish off the hill, possibly tomorrow, but it's hard to say. It's hard to say, but so far so good. Oh, actually, I was here working in there was one town of Halifax, city of Halifax guy showed up, and then the guy driving a tandem for the water commission showed up, and I was like, oh, is he gonna give me a hard time for you know, doing a little bit of ditch work in their ditch? But no, he actually said I watch your videos, good job on your videos. So if you're watching this video, nice to meet you, and stay tuned. All right guys, well, we're just sitting here waiting for the gravel to show up. It's definitely the downfall of not having my own tandem. I've been waiting here now for about an hour and a half or so for gravel, so that is definitely the downfall. There's no doubt about that. But in the meantime, I got the road up here fixed up pretty good. Definitely still gonna bring in some type 2 for up here, but it's looking a heck of a lot better than it was before, and I got some ditching done. So if you remember from the last video, this here was all rutted up, washed out. I got it smoothed out pretty good, and I'd leave it like this, but the only thing is there's a lot of fines in this, and fines are good in a way because it will pack down nice, but too much fines, it won't. And if you do get some water coming down here, the fines are just gonna wash out. So you need a good mixture. So I'm definitely still gonna put some type 2 on this, but this is looking pretty good right now. Heck of a lot better than what it did yesterday. But I got a ditch done as much as I could on both sides because it's literally just cliff here. But the water's already flowing, so that's good. But yeah, it's just cliff. This whole road is cliff. But I picked it up here at the start. Most of the water, if it does come down this side, it goes off down this way. But over here, there was no real ditch at all. You can see where it starts. And then it just runs right down there, and then that's what's washed that out. So I got a ditch started up here. Catch the water. Down off the side. Down she goes. So all right, just keep waiting. Hopefully it comes soon, because I've got a lot of running around to do for tomorrow's job. John's he's been mulching at this one job now for over a week. I got a bunch more mulching to do, but the guy mentioned about a septic, so now we got a septic to put in, and he really wants to get the tank set tomorrow. So I gotta get this done, get home, take the gooseneck off, run back to my cottage and get the bucket for the 080, because I didn't take that. I thought I was just mulching. Take the bucket for the 080, get that loaded on the trailer or the truck, and then get hooked up to the flat deck trailer, my 20-foot, and take that tomorrow morning first thing and get the tank. But I also need to get the transit, the laser level, you know, just the normal level. I got to get the geo textile, I got to get some pipe, I got to get a whole crap load of stuff, and I was hoping to get home and get that all ready before the end of the day today, but it's starting to look like, I don't know, at least the days are longer now. All right, well, we finally got our gravel. Now we are ready to fill this ditch in. Not a ditch, I guess. Washout. Focus on making sure I got lots to fill this in first, and then I'll worry about other areas. Get that blocked off there and get a nice sort of flat base to set the rocks on. Start to shape this up some. I'm gonna try to save some out front there for that rut out by the end of the road. We got the main rut taken care of now, but We got lots of material here. Make things look good. Make sure it looks good because I got that guy there from the city, from the water commission who stopped, who recognized me. The pressure's on and make it look good. Okay, so now just gonna place some rocks there. And then track pack it, and that's gonna be all she wrote. All right. Okay, well, loaded up, ready to get on here. Oh, I guess I should do that chain. There she is. So much better, obviously, than what was here before. No issues getting in here now. So definitely probably have a lot of people are gonna be upset with me and the community for putting these rocks here, but just doing what I'm told from the people that I'm hired by, and also the guy that was driving by from the city who stopped in. He said please, he said please put those rocks there, because they had to repair this 3 or 4 times through the winter because the same thing was happening. But now the water will go down here. You can hear it trickling. But anyway, lock the gate and I'm gonna head on out of here. But anyway guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Another one in the books. More work to do on the road up further. I'll do a little more work down here too. There's a good chance they're probably gonna ask me, they're probably gonna get some flack, and they're probably gonna ask me to move one of these rocks that are over here so the ATVs can still get in, but until I'm told that, I'm not gonna do it. So anyway, that's it. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you then. Bye.